If your bathtub is damaged, worn out, difficult to clean, or just plain ugly, then refinishing your bathtub can be a low-cost alternative to replacing it. The Bathtub Refinishing Pros can refinish your fiberglass, acrylic, or porcelain tub to look and feel like new in 2 days or less. You can save up to 75% in replacement cost and demolition mess that could take weeks or even months to complete. We can also repair chips, cracks, and rough surfaces, tile grout lines cleaned and permanently sealed. The Bathtub Refinishing Pros can do it all. We're the region's leading bathtub refinishing specialist, and we offer the lowest fees in the area. We are local and accountable, and all work is guaranteed by certified and licensed professionals. Call the Bathtub Refinishing Pros to restore your bathtub or shower to a brand new look and feel. Don't delay. Call us today.